We'll guide you through how to change the Dropbox folder location on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Dropbox application on your desktop. Make sure you're logged in, then click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the Sync tab. You'll see the current location of your Dropbox folder displayed there. Click on the Move button next to the folder location. A new window will pop up prompting you to select the new location for your Dropbox folder. You can navigate through your folders to find the perfect spot. Once you've chosen the new location, click Select. Dropbox will then start moving your files to the new folder location. This might take a few moments if you have a lot of files. It's important to keep the Dropbox app open during this process to ensure everything moves smoothly. And that's it. Your Dropbox folder has now been successfully moved to the new location. Now you can access all your files from this new spot without any issues. Remember, changing the folder location can help free up space on your primary drive or organize your files better. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.